This was great. I've just done the 2 days at the EFT for leaders and coaches. Just fabulous. As usual, Sally just puts on an amazing workshop. She just has this gift of being able to take the theory and all the science and put it into real world practical examples, and of course she has the experience to be able to show you how to apply that. So I just find Sally's manner really, really engaging and just really real world. I've walked away from this now with the confidence to be able to use EFT for my own team and to help my leaders and the people I'm coaching. So I really feel like it's a great addition to my toolbox and will really be valuable for me to position myself as a leader and a coach to have this available. The real standout was there was two things actually, and one was that, you know, to be a good leader and to be successful and to be able to help other people be successful, you have to work on yourself. So it's not about them, it's about you. So that was my really big takeaway. So a few things still for me to work on. And the other one was the way Sally taught us how to really dig down and really be present and hold the space for the person that we're with. Be present, dig down and find the really true cause, and do that in a really caring and safe and nurturing way. And yeah, some real ahas this weekend and just a fabulous 2 days. Thank you, Sally, so much.